Booka, this shit go crazy.
Jets, nigga. Shout out to the big homie. Shout out to Big Ben. Ferris Bueller. This ought to be good for like a whole box of Lettermans and hoodies and all that shit. Word to trademark, my style need a padlock. Moon man suited up, I'm an astronaut. You're mad because I does what you cannot. Crib fit for a king. You would swear I had an architect from Camelot. Inspired niggas to go, why could I ever stop giving niggas the hot? The rhymes I rock, inspire fly niggas to shop. And bitches rub their titties like they did for Big Pop. Spitter, keep it honest, diamonds and dollars. In the Bahamas, slice your wifey like an avocado. Blame it on the Moscato, she went crazy with the bottle. Fly vision, I seen it all through aviator goggles. Las Vegas, heavy wages, stakes raising, poker faces, and a red label. All large, I roll up like zigzag paper. Shock their ass, give them this taste. I get it on like the power button on the remote. So roll with us or you choke on the jet smoke. I get it on like the power button on the remote. So roll with us or you choke on the jet smoke. And I'm so sure that them suckers over there ain't making the same kind of shit we making over here. Them niggas switching the rules, they ain't even playing fair. Originality seemed to have vanished in the air. I remember a time back when niggas could rhyme. My iPod in the ride, a nigga bumping the tribe. Got my pedal to the metal in my daylight highs. Me, myself, and I. Me, myself, I'm high. See, I sleep in my eyes. Gotta keep a disguise behind enemy lines. By the time they recognize that I have arrived, I done entered their mind. Sneaker freaker, baby, who could be more sneaky than I? Spitter be the equivalent to a bed of nails. He who sleeps on Spitter will not sleep well. Got cheese and guac, nigga Taco Bell. I been had this bread, it's all moldy and stale. I get it on like the power button on the remote. So roll with us or you choke on the jet smoke. I get it on like the power button on the remote. So roll with us or you choke on the jet smoke.